How to boost your post on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can boost your post on Instagram app. Now, to do so is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through it. First, what you want to do is open up the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and head into your profile. Now here on the profile you can see all your posts here. If you don't have post, what you can do is simply upload a new post by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. You'll be able to upload new post or video, whatever you want. Now to boost a post on Instagram, what you need to do is simply tap on the post that you want to boost. Now you can see I have a couple of pictures or couple of posts here. Simply open up the post that you want to boost. Simply tap on it and it'll open up, and at the bottom of your post you'll find the option to boost post. You can see use your post to promote your business. Simply tap on boost post, and here it will ask you to select a goal. What results would you like from this ad? Get people to explore content on your profile, let people learn more about your profile, or more messages, start conversation with potential customers, whatever you want. Simply tap on it and tap on next, and it will ask you to select target audience. Now you can select ad category if you want. You can select automatic, or you can create your own manually entering your target options, and then tap on next, and then you can add the budget that you want here, and then simply tap on next, and you can keep the duration as well, and then you can review your ad last at here, and you can boost post and simply tap on I agree, and your post will be boosted. So this way you can boost your post on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.